As dusk falls over Paris, the Eiffel Tower looms, casting shadows that whisper tales of its construction in 1889. Visitors marvel at the city's skyline from its iron heights, a monument to French innovation and daring. Inside the Louvre Museum, ancient statues stand frozen in time, guarding untold stories within their marble embrace. The Mona Lisa's enigmatic smile beckons, her gaze haunting all who dare meet her eyes. Notre Dame Cathedral stands stoic and timeless, a symbol of faith and resilience. Each stone bears witness to centuries of history, from royal coronations to devastating fires, shrouded in mystery and legend. At the Arc de Triomphe, echoes of military triumphs and sacrifices linger in the air. Visitors climb its spiraling staircase, feeling the weight of France's victories and losses etched into its arches. In the opulent Palace of Versailles, whispers of extravagant balls and royal intrigue dance through ornate halls. The Sun King's legacy shines bright, illuminating the extravagance and excess of the French monarchy.